Jesus, let me catch it. Let me catch it, Jesus. Oh. Oh, God. Oh, my. Look at that. Look at that, my friends. Oh, my God, it's a tank. It's an absolute tank. I don't exactly know what I got here, guys. It's giving me a thrashing. It looks like it might have teeth. Yes, it does. Okay. I see those little teeth in there. Looks a little like a pike. Okay. Well, my friends, sorry for that big long adventure. Hopefully it's still recording. You can see the fish here. If you guys know what that is, I'm going to be looking it up. What a beautiful, beautiful fish. Thank you so much for biting. This is one from my father Tom, who him and I dreamed of coming here and fishing, and I'm trying to live the dream for him so that we do it together. But just a beautiful, beautiful. All right. Minette.
Like, comment, and subscribe, and do share with your friends. Have a blessed day.